I caught it bad just today. You hit me with a call to your place. Ain't been out in a while anyway. Was hoping I could catch you throwing smiles in my face. Romantic talking, you don't even have to try.
What are you?
You're a demon! No, I'm not a demon. I'm not a demon. See? Just a guy. Just a guy here to rescue these dragons. So,
But you walked through fire!
dragon scales. Dragons shed a lot.
Oh, I know a demon when I see one. No human legs are that skinny. Think that's a good entrance? Get a load of me! Have you it? More demons!
That's really just a nitwit who forgot to fireproof his butt.
Guys, no! Not yet!
Behold your worst nightmare.
Behold.
Along with his sister who insisted on coming.
That's my intro?
Guys, too soon. You always come in too soon.
Sorry, still getting the hang of my wings.
Fish legs again with the baby? This is a raid.
Find a sitter. Demons everywhere! It's the end of the world!
Astrid, I had it right where I wanted him.
And now he's right where I wanted him. Let's get to work.
Okay, we screwed that up. But at least nobody else knows we're here. Easy, girl. It's okay. Shh. We're gonna get you out of here.
The Crimson Gore Gutter!
Look at this weirdo. Bet it's super dumb. Ugh. Why can't I get this cage open?
It slides.
Obviously.
Attack!
Get the rescues out of here!
No running on the deck. It's slippery. You could fall.
Step aside! Let me handle the tough guy stuff.
Whoa!
Yeah, that's two for me. Look out!
Sorry.
Thank you. Now, go get the rest, bud.
I thought this was supposed to be a stealth mission.
Yeah, they always start that way.
Thanks, Starfly!
Oh, stop worrying. They'll get it. Eventually.
Move out! We got them all!
I'm gonna headlock every last one of you. I might even leg lock you.
Amateurs! It's just getting started.
Clear out, guys! Go!
Good hustle, boys! Toothless, time to go! Oh. Hey, guys. You always have my back, bud. Bud? But, yeah, sure, don't bother to wait for us.
need to kill us.
Another Night Fury.
Oh, not quite. It's more like a bright.
A Light Fury.
Yeah, yours is better, probably.
Now our little game must come to an end. Call them off, Alpha. No reason for her to die, too.
What are they doing? They could totally take him.
Not with her life on the line.
Save your breath. The only Alpha they respond to is me. Oh, don't feel too badly. You tried your best. But you are nothing without your dragon.
Toothless!
Oh, jump off the cliff in these. That's the best you've got?
No. You guys are the best I've got.
Aww. I'm with him. Who else?
Roughnut, that was my line.
Let's go!
Trying to keep up?
You didn't think I'd actually hand you the Night Fury, did you? He's mine to kill.
That snake!
I intend to finish what I started. Best of luck controlling them without an Alpha.
Could've used some practice! I should've skipped breakfast!
Perfect timing! Game faces!
Yeah! What are you waiting for? Get in there!
Heads up!
Thanks. Look out!
Thanks. I'm coming, Toothless!
You still think he cares about you? Let's just see who he follows.
I'm sorry, Bud, for everything. We've got problems.
What are you doing? Okay.
You killed both of us! Fighting over a dragon? That's your plan?
This is. Save him. I knew you'd come around. You're right, bud. It's time. I was so busy fighting for a world that I wanted, I didn't think about what you needed. You've looked after us for long enough. Time to look after yourselves.
Stormfly, my good girl.
All right, Grumpy. Off you go. So long, you big ugly beast. I'll miss you.
Oh, Cloud Jumper.
Go on, bud. Lead them to the hidden world. You'll be safe there. Safer than you could ever be with me. It's okay. I love you too, and I want you to be free. Our world doesn't deserve you. Yet. Go, Toothless. Go.
My mind feels like a fire.